friends! I'm Bunnybun, and today we're meeting some super special friends.
I love fruits.
Did you know
They
fruits
are
are like
healthy
superheroes
and
for our bodies?
delicious.
Let's find out how.
Apples are
Hi
crunchy,
there,
sweet and
I'm
keep your tummy
Apple.
happy.
I
They
keep your
help you
tummy
stay
happy
strong
and help you stay
healthy.
strong.
Pineapple sweet and tangy, and it
Hi,
helps your
I'm
tummy
Pineapple.
digest
I help
food
your tummy
better.
digest food better.
Grapes are juicy,
We're
sweet, and give you
grapes.
lots of
We
energy.
give you energy
They're
and
also
help
great
your
for your
heart stay
heart.
healthy.
Crunchy apples, tangy pine, juicy fruits are so divine. Grapes, bananas, orange delight. Healthy fruits, they make us bright. Watermelon is super
I'm Watermelon.
refreshing.
I keep you cool and keeps you hydrated on sunny days.
Oranges are full of
I'm
vitamin
Orange.
C
I
to keep
protect you from
getting
getting sick with
and
my
help
super
your
vitamin
skin
C
glow.
powers.
Bananas are great
I'm
for
Banana.
energy.
I give you
They're
lots
soft,
of energy
sweet,
to
and
jump,
perfect
run,
for
and
a quick
play.
snack. Na-na, 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 na. Crunchy apples, tangy pine, juicy fruits are so divine. Grapes, bananas, orange delight. Healthy fruits, they make us bright. Watermelon is super refreshing and keeps you hydrated on sunny days. Oranges are full of vitamin C to keep you from getting sick and help your skin glow. Bananas are great for energy. They're soft, sweet, and perfect for a quick snack. Na-na, 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 na. Crunchy apples, tangy pine, juicy fruits are so divine. Grapes, bananas, orange delight. Healthy fruits, they make us bright.
Thank you for learning and singing with me and the fruits today. Don't forget to eat fruit every day. Please check out our other videos and subscribe.